Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign player in packs feature of eFootball 2024. So you can sign contract full club in that I mean whole player in that club. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can sign a contract for a player, or completing the mission or objective so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the contract and tap this pack, sign some powerful edition. So in this pack feature you can get a or you can purchase the uniform here, and also you can get a whole club. For example, if you wanna get Barcelona 23 and 24 like this is the list, like Lewandowski, De Jong, Gundogan, and many more. You can do it with just tap purchase. Make sure you have enough coin here. You can do it by 1,500 coin to get whole player, all player in Barcelona Football Club 23 and 24 season. And not only Barcelona, you can sign contract from Bayern Munich, Manchester United, AC Milan, Inter Milan, Arsenal. And you can get Lionel Messi with 1,500 coin. So I recommend you to save coin from now to get powerful or to get all player from specific club or from your favorite club. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.